Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jenny Sapon, and today we will be doing a tutorial on how to apply on false lashes. I'm not going to sit here and babble on about makeup, but if you do want to sit here and watch me babble on about makeup, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and watch my previous videos. But today I'm just going to go ahead and jump straight into the tutorial. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll need is a pair of lashes. I'm going to be using the Silly George Girl Goals. I love this. It's super fluffy and they're easy to wear. It's lightweight. It doesn't even feel like you have false lashes on when you wear them. And they're just one of my favorite lashes to wear. You're going to need scissors and a pair of tweezers and, of course, eyelash curler. So the first thing you're going to need to do, which this is my third time trying to film this video, so I no longer have a pair of lashes to show how to cut them and trim them down to your size, but I will quickly walk you through this. So first things first, you want to remove your lashes off of the little container that it's sitting in. Be careful to when you're removing them and make sure you don't rip them. I've done that before and that's not fun because you're left with one side of lashes. But what you want to do is just kind of bend it a little bit just to give it a little bit of shape and lay it on your lash line how you would like the lashes. So you kind of just lay them on your lash line. And normally these lashes are made extra long so you can trim them down. So you just take a pair of scissors and your lashes and you just kind of cut the ends of them. For me especially, I have smaller eyes, so I have to trim them down a little bit. But with Silly George, I just have to cut the little ends, the little extra band. But that's what you all have to do. Next, it's time to prep your lashes. I like to use the Duo Glue. This is the one that I use. It has green writing on it. I don't know if you can see it, but it is the Duo Brush On Adhesive with vitamins. I know you can see like Lash Glue, but this is one of my favorite lash glue to use. I feel like using the brush is a lot easier, especially if you're new to wearing lashes. Using the brush tip is a lot easier just because you have more control when you are applying the lashes. Just because when you have too much glue on the lash strips, it's a whole mess. So what you want to do is just gently remove your lashes from the container. And you just take your glue and you just easily glide this on. I go back a few times, but now you don't want to directly put these on your lashes right away. You want to wait till it's a little tacky. You want to wait till it's like tacky because when it's still wet, it will not lay on your lashes. So you want to wait. And in the meantime, what I like to do is to curl my lashes. So I'm just using the Lancome curler and I'm just going to curl my lashes. You can add mascara on now or after. I like to do it afterwards. Some feel that it may be easier for them to apply the lashes, but I like to wait after I apply the lashes. So now it's time to take a look at your lashes. It's still kind of wet, so I'm gonna blow on it a little bit to make it dry a little faster. After numerous trial and error, I've learned that applying the lashes from the inner corner of my eyes to the outer corner is a lot easier compared to applying in the center, the outer, and the inner, which is completely hard to do and intimidating if you're new to just the makeup world or just applying on lashes. And I find it easier also just to use my own little fingertips, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use the tweezers. Mine is from Silly George. What you're gonna wanna do is to take a mirror, especially if you're new to this. You wanna take a mirror so that you wanna get it as close to your lash line as possible. You kind of tilt your head back just a little bit, and then take a mirror and you can see your lashes, and then gently just place your lashes along your lash line. And then you just place your tweezers down and kind of press them, like press it down and blend with your natural lashes. And make sure that it's actually glued on and not just laying on top of it. See, super easy. And then what I like to do is I like to go in with my Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit, and then I just kind of apply it on and blend it with the falsies. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye. So what you do is just take your lashes, bend them to give it a little bit of shape, and then apply some glue. Now I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit. I like to just wiggle it around in the air just to make sure it dries quickly. And then I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm going to apply this side with my fingers. I personally think it's a lot easier, and since I've had so many trial and error with this, I definitely find it a lot easier using my fingers. I feel like I have a little more control, and sometimes I feel like I'm stabbing my eyes out, or I might accidentally stab my eye out with the tweezers, so I just use my fingers. And so, same exact method. You're just gonna tilt your head back just a little bit, look down at the mirror, and then start from the inner corner. And while you're starting from the inner corner, you're gonna start laying down the lashes. Well, my mistake. I didn't let this dry in time. Alright, so there you go. That's how you apply lashes. I hope you found this video super easy and helpful. I definitely wish I had someone to teach me how to put on lashes when I was going through this whole like makeup phase. It was definitely a lot of trial and error. So I actually have some horror stories, but that's a story for another video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. And you can find me on all my other social media platforms, Instagram and TikTok at Jenny Zipon. And once again, thanks for watching. Bye guys.